If you've created a token using our tools, you'll be happy to know that DexScreener will automatically detect your social links. Our DApp handles the necessary transactions so that the information appears correctly on both DEX and screeners. According to DexScreener's own documentation, the platform pulls its data from token listing sites like CoinGecko. Alternatively, you can choose DexScreener's Enhanced Token Info feature, which allows you to add unique information to make your token stand out among the thousands listed. This option does require a payment of $299, but it can significantly improve your token's visibility on the platform. If your token is not yet immutable and you want to update its metadata, you have two options. You can either use our tool to update the metadata automatically or do it manually through listing platforms, though the manual method is more time-consuming. In either case, you need access to the wallet that created the token and verify ownership. For a full, step-by-step guide on updating social links in DexScreener, you can check out the specialized guide on our blog. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to walk through on any other token tools.